How to wear multiple face accessories on Roblox. Hello guys, this is Sarah from Create, Login and Delete. Let's get started. So first go to roblox.com and then log into your account. Once it's open, click on the three bars at the top left corner and then click on Avatar. If you're on your phone, go to Avatar Editor and then request desktop mode. Once you're here, click on Accessories and then select Face. So if you want to wear multiple face accessories, first select one of the accessories that you want to wear and then click on Advanced. So you'll see the asset ID at the top. So copy the asset ID and then click on Cancel. Next, select the other accessory that you want to wear and then click on Advanced again. So over here, paste the asset ID of the previous accessory and then click on Save at the bottom and then click on Save again. If you can't find the asset ID, you can also click on the item and the asset ID will be mentioned at the top here, and you can just copy this number, click on the three bars and then click on Avatar. Click on Accessories and go to Face, and then click on Advanced, and you can paste the asset ID here as well. And then click on Save, and then click on Save again. So in this way, you can try to wear multiple face accessories on Roblox. Thanks for watching till the end, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.